welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited about this cash stuffing because it is going to be our federal income tax. We literally filed the week of, and we got it yesterday or the day before. It is for February 3rd. So we're going to break down exactly where all of their money is going to go. So for this Friday, Lewis made $1,169.30. I brought home nothing. Our federal income tax was $4,921, and that left it with a total of $6,090.30. Bills that we're going to be paying is Pandora, my husband's student loan, a water bill, and my husband's Capital One. We went ahead and we put the $1,000 into Lewis's account. I got the $1,000 pending on my account. We're going to be paying my mother-in-law back. $200 for groceries, $40 for gas. It's going to be split between Lewis and I. $40 for vape. Allowance for me is $50, and a lunch for me is $50. Lewis is the same way. Our stuffing is going to be right here, which we're going to go over when we start doing our cash stuffing. Putting $25 towards my credit card and $25 to my husband's student loan. $500 in our emergency fund and $1,000 inside of our mortgage. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this. So as usual, we do our wallets because it's just so much easier. Do our wallet because it's so much easier to deal with. So we're going to be putting 40. And now we have the total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's all that's going to go in here, and then we have $7. I'll put that aside. So this is at its cap. That's going to be it in here. And I also need to put this back where I got it from. I took my kids skating last night for a school thing. So we're going to be putting this back where it belongs, or it should at least try to. For holidays, and I've still not done these daggone the slip. It's driving me insane. I've not done it yet, but let me grab my purple right here. 2, 3 deposit. We're going to be depositing 50. That would give us 55. We got 55. And this is just going to be for his birthday party itself. We are not really going to get him any presents because we bought him a gaming PC, which he has already gotten. We have no family birthdays coming up. Gifts is not getting anything. Valentine's Day is getting 50. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 140, 145, 150. So we only need $50 more for this, and this will be done. And I've already gotten a list for one of my kids' classmates so that I can start putting that aside for that. Easter's not getting anything, and that is going to be it for this one. Go with home. Home maintenance is getting $100. I'm so excited. Today we are actually getting our heater fixed. So that has been one of the things that I've been so stressed out about. So 2, 3 deposit 100. That will leave us with 120. Which is exactly what I have. 100, 10, 15, 20. Car maintenance is getting nothing for right now. Actually, I'm going to put this $5 into car maintenance. trying to make sure that we are being smart about this because we got to do all of our inspections and things of that nature. So in car maintenance, we have 2 or 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. What? Hang on, maybe I didn't take everything out. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. So I need to actually update this to 43. So I did not update this on how much was spent out of this. That is my fault. These will be updated by the time I record my next video, no matter what. I will set that aside to do that. Yard care is getting 20. So 3 or 2, 3 deposit. 20, that'll leave us with 120. So it's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 90, 100, 110, 115, 120. And I think what I'm going to do is like keep a running of like $200 in yard work so that if I need things to happen around the house, it's already here and ready for me to spend it and put it away. Pets, we're going to do $20. I'm trying to separate my pets from my groceries so that I have more money to spend on food for my family over my other things, which I might also need to put like my 5-year-old's necessities, because I still buy him pull-ups and baby wipes because he's not fully potty trained. And you know, if you got comments about that, you know, keep them to yourself because we've tried everything. He's just not ready to be potty trained and he's not at that developmental skill just yet. So we are at 25 for pets. And for hair, we're going to put this in here. I will update that when I do my actual update. I have nothing going into business, bills. I do have some that are going into my savings challenges. We are no longer doing January, so I'm gonna pop that to the back. We're on February now. And I think I'm gonna do the exact same thing where each one of these is $5. And I'm not sure when I'll be unstuffing these, because I do know that I need to make sure that I have things like school supplies for next year and things of that nature. But for now, we are doing this on a strictly low income type of basis. So for our monthly savings, we are actually going to be depositing $50. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So we're going to be doing the entire first row. So I'm pretty excited about that. That one's done, and we'll go back here to Pac-Man. I will go ahead and put this one back in here. All right, so for Pac-Man, we're going to do 40. So I'm going to do this one. And this one. There's two 20s. Now we got 55 in here. And then we have our 100 envelopes. We're going to be putting this 50 in there, so I'm going to go ahead and do the 51, 48, 49, and 50. So my goal is to get everything below taken care of on here during the summer, because we don't make as much money during the summer. And then when about August, September, we'll start tackling these bigger numbers. That's what I'm hoping that would happen, which is why I'm only focused on the smaller ones for now. Unless I sell something, then I'll do one of the bigger numbers. So we still have this, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1,000 of this. 1,000 of this will actually go to my mother-in-law. So I'm going to set this aside for her. And now I need to figure out what to do with this. So I took these out of birthdays that we're not doing. Like, they've already passed. We didn't celebrate them. So my brother's birthday, we can add 20 to that. And then we can either do that, or we can put the $38 towards Aiden's birthday. How much does Aiden have? He has 55. We still got to pay for all of his birthday stuff. We'll do that. That way I am not selling him short on anything. So 2, 3, deposit, how much was it? 38, 33, 20, 30, 33. $50, $70, $75, $80, $85, $86, $87, $88. That gives us $88, which I feel like it's a really good number to really start with. So there's that. And that is going to be all for our cash stuffing. Again, this is going to go to my mother-in-law for helping us over the years. I'm trying to pay her back. She has been a flippin' blessing to us, especially when you're a first-time mom and you're trying your best to get up on your feet after having a kid, not knowing the financial struggles. You know, sometimes we do rely on our family to help us, and we are guilty of that. So I'm making sure I pay back all of my dues, and I will only owe her $5,000 after this, so we're going to start working on chipping that away. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below on what was your favorite part about it, and tell me what kind of changes you make to be able to help yourself save more. As you can see, we're always switching out how we're doing our savings because we're still looking for that one thing that really works and fits our budget, because no budgets are the same. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.